Hi friends, welcome to my channel Villageskills. In this video I am going to show you how to make saree tassels easily at home. Friends, this is my 50th saree kuchu design. If you would like to see my previous 49 designs, please check out the links in the description box below. I hope you will find this video useful. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment my channel Villageskills for more such videos. If you already subscribed, then hit the bell icon to notify my latest updates. Let's get started. Friends, now our colorful 50th saree kuchu design is ready. I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment my channel Villageskills for more such videos. If you already subscribed, then hit the bell icon to notify my latest updates. And please give your valuable comments in the comment section below. Please follow us on my Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest accounts. Like us, my FB page, facebook.com/villageskills. Thanks for watching. See you soon with my another new project. Until then, keep watching. Take care. Bye-bye.